So, nag-start na ako mag-packing, no? Ito yung mga aming mga damit, mga bedsheet, unan. Nilagay ko na siya sa vacuum bag. And then, this our things for camping, tent. And then, prepare na ako ng breads namin, ng kala, and pita.
Homemade pita. So tayo sa pita. Ito naman tayo sa kala.
Look at my perfect kala bread. So jiggling.
Break na natin.
So, this our finished product. Ang homemade kala. See you tomorrow.
Catch the ducks.
لا لا طاولة مش أنا.
Okay.
How many? Are those bisons?
Yes. Ang ating wow scary look. Our campground. Let's view.
Nathan, net food.
Cow?
This.
Are you cow?
Yan guys, nandito na kami sa aming tag dito, campsite. Meron pa doon sa kabila. Mayroong water. Nandun sa kabila. Toilet. Malinis naman siya. Hindi ko lang kasya dito ang tent. Kumakain na sila ng lunch. Fried chicken and
Smell it.
so ayan guys, magbibuild na kami ng building ng aming tent. Okay naman siya. Doon yung toilet. Tapos yung water tap doon. Pwede kang kumadlo ng tubig para sa shower. Meron kaming in order na pang shower dito. Here. Shower and then may bucket kami. Try naming maligo doon. Dito. Shower. So, ito namang sinatan, okay naman itong mga batang to, malalaki na sila, nauutusan na, no? Kaya, iniimis niya yung higa niya mamayang gabi. After nating mag-set up, tingnan nyo, sarap humiga ang hangin.
Today,
Tapos punta kami doon sa may, ito naman palang dalawang bata nag-vlog.
guys, today we're gonna feed the horses. Here's the horsey. Horsey. Okay, it's time to eat the food. Lunchtime. Oh, there's a white one. Baby horse. Okay, fine. And where's the other horse? Oh, you know, he's there. You know, you're supposed to be the cameraman video.
Yes.
Cameraman? I'm not a man. Oh, you're like...
Hello. Hello.
Can I try?
guys, luto tayo ng kanin. What? Then mag-start na kami mag-barbecue. What, Nathan? So ito ang aming dinner. Tilapia.
We need to make a fire.
Tilapia and lamb. Purpose. I forgot to put outside. Still frozen. And French fries. Gawa tayo ng salad. Gusto i-barbecue natin to, tapos lalagyan natin sibuyas tsaka kamatis. Luto naman tayo ng French fries. Matigas pa yung meat eh. Kalimutan kong ilabas. So, yun ang ating French fries. So, ito naman ang ating meat. Lagyan natin siya ng salt and pepper. And guys, let's eat lamb. Meron pa doon. Niluluto pa.
Hey, flies, don't.
Let's eat. Yummy, Talia? Talia, nothing yummy. But you don't eat. Eat the...
I need someone to
Let me-
scratch my back.
I can.
So, lamb.
Baby,
First time. Not Talia. She eat lamb.
Tomorrow's forecast looks similar.
Tomorrow better?
I see bicycle.
Oh, that's great.
Oh, I see a baby bison.
Nice. That's wonderful. I'm glad you get to see that.
We're not in Africa.
Yeah, not in Africa. So, is this So, ang sounds ng aking video ay merong parang groundings. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ganito ang aking phone. Siguro sobrang puno na ng video. So, nandito kami ngayon sa downtown. Maglalakad-lakad. Hindi siya gaano kaganda ngayon kasi mausok. Hindi katulad last year. Malinaw yung mga puno, yung mga bundok. Ngayon maulap siya o mausok.
Really?
So, yan, maglalakad-lakad muna kami dito.
Say. After you like we go with I tell you.
So, hindi siya ganun kaganda katulad last year. Mas malinaw. Tapos ang sikat ng araw. Ngayon maulap ba? Tsaka yung tubig niya iba na. Hindi katulad dati na malinaw, blue. Ngayon para siyang nagka-flood. Baka nagka-flood dito last 2 months ago. Yung maulan.
When we look past with the
Yun yung bison. No, no.
Actually, it's raccoon tail. I could use it on my foot. Thank you, Rumpus.
Cream boy. Can I try? Good taste. Can I try, Talia?
Could I try? Daddy, can I try yours?
Famous ice cream dito sa water. Pinipila. So, ayan ang famous ice cream. So delicious. Like natural.
Yeah, good this one.
You see the deer? Did you see the deer?
I saw it. What?
Deer?
Stupid deer. No, not that. Don't cook this. It's a smiling deer. Daddy,